Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno6. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. Firstly, enter settings. Enter display and brightness and select between light and dark mode at the beginning. Then you can turn on or off auto switch and adjust brightness level. You can also turn on or off auto brightness and eye comfort. Auto rotate as well. Then you can change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Here you can change screen color temperature and screen color mode. You can turn on or off video color enhancer, change font and display size, and change screen refresh rate. At the end, we've got screen display, where we can hide the notch for different apps. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.